Say, little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say, I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't rub with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody moves. Now she say she gon' do what or who? Let's find out and see. Cardi B, you know where I'm at, you know where I be. You in the club, just to party, I'm there, I get paid to be. I be in and out them things so much, I know they tired of me. Honestly, don't give a fuck about who ain't fond of me. Drop 2 mixtapes in 6 months, no bitch working as hard as me. I don't bother with these hoes, don't let these hoes bother me. They see pictures, they say goals, bitch I'm who they tryna be. Look, I might just chill in some babe, I might just chill with your boo, I might just spill on your babe. My pussy feel like a lake, he wanna swim with his face. I'm like okay, I let him get what he want. He buy me East and Laurent, and then you whip. When they go back to the horse, I got the trunk in the front. I'm the hottest in the street, know you probably heard of me. Got a bag and fix my teeth, hope you hoes don't hit cheap. And I pay my mama bills, I ain't got no time to chill. Think these hoes be mad at me, they baby father wanna kill. That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't rub with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make.
New year, new deals, and I am working with EAP Heat, you guys. This is like really big for me. I remember seeing videos on Instagram of people using this flat iron on their natural hair, but I've never seen anybody use it on a weave or a wig. So I'm really excited to be trying this flat iron out with you guys today. But I just want to let you guys know how amazing this flat iron is. It's just one of those things you honestly have to see to believe. So just check this out.
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own car note and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoes on my feet, the clothes I'm wearing, the rock I'm rocking, 'cause I depend on me. If I want it, the watch I'm wearing, the house I live in, the car I'm driving, I depend on me. I depend on me. how I won't live how I wanna live. I worked hard and sacrificed to get what I get. Ladies, it ain't easy being independent. Question, I just like this knowledge that I brought. Bragging on that cash that it gave you is a front. If you're gonna brag, make sure it's your money you fund. And don't no one else to give you what you want. Shoes on my feet, the clothes I'm wearing, the rock I'm rocking, 'cause I depend on me. If I want it, the watch I'm wearing, the house I live in.
Can I save you from you? 'Cause you know there's something missing in the champagne you've been sipping. Not supposed to make you different all the time. Starting to feel like the wrong thing to do. 'Cause with all that recognition, it gets hard for you to listen to the things that I'ma say to make you mine. Live, girl, have some fun, girl, we'll be fine. Trying to convince myself I found one, making the mistake I never learned from. I swear I always for your time, yeah. For your time, tell me why I always fall for your time, for your time. Oh, for your time. Oh, for your time. So who am I to judge you on the past, girl? I bet there's a reason for it all. You'll say that you're nothing like the last girl. I just pray that you don't let me down right now. It's too late, I'm already yours. Just gotta promise me hearts won't break and end up like before. I swear I always fall for your time, yeah. For your time, tell me why I always fall for your time, for your time.
Look, dress hanging off your shoulder, barely sober. Telling me how you moving away and starting over. Girl, quit playing, you just drunk, you just saying shit. And oh, you dance like how, like ballet and shit. Oh, wait. No, I get it, girl, I'm with it. I've been down this road before, and yeah, I skid it, but forget it, damn. I wonder why I never learned my lesson. Just feeling like it's second chance and it's the first impression. And I heard there's nothing new except for someone new. But how you supposed to find the one with anyone to come with you? Talking to myself, but I never listen. 'Cause man, it's been a while. I swear that this one's different. That's why I'ma take you anywhere you wanna go. Let you meet my friends so they can lecture me again about how reckless I have been. And I'm slowly running out of all the time that I invested.
Come enjoy the life, baby, take a ride. I just wanna find you, baby, you and I can have a good time. Tell me what you like. Ooh. I'm looking for somebody I can call through, looking for the only one that I can give my all to. Tell me if it's you, what you wanna do, make a move. You can be my teacher, I'll do homework. You can give me extra credit, baby, I'll do more.
Alright you guys, so this is officially the finished look, and as you guys can see, I didn't do any baby hairs in today's install. I just wanted to do a natural, regular install, no baby hairs, just a classic middle part. And you guys, first off, I'm going to talk about the hair, and I'm going to be talking about the flat iron that I used in today's video. This hair, you guys, is absolutely beautiful. This is my first time ever working with this company. The name of the hair company is called Vivibabis. I absolutely love the packaging for it. I thought it was super cute and unique, and it's definitely one of those boxes that makes you want to save it because the packaging is so cute. And the quality of this hair, you guys, is absolutely amazing. I love how flat it lays. I was able to bleach the knots fine. I did a really good job on this unit, and I'm really happy with the results that I received. I love the hair, and of course I really love this flat iron that I used today. So you guys, as you guys saw, I did use a new flat iron in today's video. This video is also sponsored by EAP Heat. They did reach out to me on Instagram, and they wanted me to review their 1-inch ceramic flat iron. I absolutely love this flat iron, you guys. It's absolutely amazing. You guys see what it did to my hair. Like, my hair is so silky straight. Like, I have no complaints all the way down to the bottom. Like, this hair is so beautiful. You guys see the shine. You see how smooth it is. I don't have a bunch of like frizz in my hair. Basically, at first I was gonna curl my hair. I started off on this side, so that's why it's a lump like right here. But other than that, the rest of the hair is beautiful on this side. This is what the ends are looking like. The hair, this hair is so healthy, like all the way down to the ends. Like, there's no like split ends or anything. It moves so beautifully. So this is where the hair is hitting me, 26 inches. This hair is definitely on like the average side as far as like density. I'm not sure on the exact density, so I will leave that down below for you guys, but I love the way that this hair flat ironed out, you guys. You guys can see up top how flat it is. Like, no baby hairs or anything like that today, just because, you know, I just wanted a sleek, nice, jet black type of vibe. And this is what we came up with. If I was to give this hair and this flat iron a rating, I would give both of them a 5 stars. Like, I have no complaints about this hair. This flat iron heats up in just a few minutes. It goes all the way up to 450 degrees, which is the best, and it is amazing. I didn't have a bunch of like extra hair all burnt up on my flat iron. That's what ended up happening with another flat iron that I used not too long ago. Like, it was just a bunch of burnt up hair on there. But on this one, like, I'm looking at it and my flat iron is literally clear. There's like a piece of dog hair, because you guys know I have dogs. But other than that, like, there's no hair all like burnt up on here. And I would definitely say that this is just like the Instagram results that you get. Like, it's definitely worth the hype. If you guys have not tried EAP Heat Hot Tools, you guys definitely need to try out their products. They have amazing flat irons, hot combs, they have crimping irons. They even have one that is diamond encrusted. Like, the whole thing is silver and diamond encrusted. Same type of look. You're gonna get the same type of look with it. It's just a beautiful version. You guys know I'm very bougie, so that's definitely more my vibe. I would definitely like to get the rhinestone version, but this one is amazing. My room doesn't smell like burnt hair right now, and that's so amazing to me. Like, a lot of times with a lot of companies, like, you use a flat iron and the whole house smells like burnt hair. My house does not smell like burnt hair right now. I promise you it doesn't. So yeah, you guys, that about wraps up today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you guys like anything that I mentioned today, make sure you guys check out that description box down below for any coupon codes, discount codes. You know I got them. Definitely check out that description box down below. I want to thank all of you guys so much for taking the time out to watch today's video. I know my tutorials can be very long, so the fact that you stuck out this long, baby, I just want to say thank you so much for sticking it out. And I want to thank our sponsors today. First, I want to thank our sponsor, Vivibabis Hair, for sponsoring this video and sending over this beautiful hair. And I will also like to thank EAP Heat for sending over this flat iron. Definitely a new essential. You definitely need to get this flat iron, you guys. I love it. You guys will definitely see me use it in other videos. And I'm actually going to be using this flat iron again on some curly hair, because I want to see how silky straight this flat iron can really get my hair, because a lot of people use this flat iron, believe it or not, on their natural hair. I definitely will show the results that other people receive with this flat iron on their natural hair. It is absolutely amazing. It gives you a beautiful shine, and it just makes your hair look amazing, whether you're using your natural hair or, as you guys can see, if you have a wig. Now, I have not seen too many people use this on weaves or wigs, so I'm definitely excited to be bringing this video to you guys. So if you have been looking at this on their website and you just wanted to know, hey, should I check it out?
definitely should check it out, you guys. So I want to thank all of you beautiful people for watching today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see all of you guys in my next one.